Welcome to GuardPanel.net, a remote DDoS protection management solution by JavaPipe LLC. This presentation will show you its basic features. As a JavaPipe customer, you can configure settings of your DDoS protection, such as the domain name or ports to protect, and the destination IP to proxy the traffic to, all through one single web interface on GuardPanel.net. This makes it incredibly easy to control all aspects of your DDoS protection. You can adjust the originating IP address or the ports you want to forward at any time. You can also add an unlimited number of domains that you want to protect, without any additional fees. You can even view DDoS attacks hitting your service in real time, and get details of the attack types they used to target you. GuardPanel is a completely white-label solution and can even be customized, which means you can easily resell JavaPipe products to your own clients. Visit javapipe.com now and get DDoS protected today.